Marami ng realization si Sian sa buhay.
Because it's really hard to begin with. Napakahirap niya gawin. So, it's just a
Ito
matter
guys,
of
yung sira niya guys.
you
Pinahirapan tayo dyan
tackling
guys.
the problem head on. Just
So
like in
high
life.
voltage yan guys.
And sa yellow din, there's no shortcuts. You have to fall and you have to
So
learn.
nilagyan
Get
natin
back
guys
up
ng
on your feet and
chopper
start over.
yung kanyang
Sugat-sugat na po ako.
papuntang
Ang bagong groundbreaking
bandang playback
na
guys.
magtuturo sa ating magmahal.
Papuntang yuk
Suko tayo. Hanggat hindi ko po natutunan.
para males yung high voltage.
Ang pangarap. Mapapanood simula sa susunod na
Sumisirit
Lunes,
kasi, guys.
March 13. Hearts on Ice pagkatapos ng mga lihim ni Orduha. Kataatibayan, updated sa showbiz. Happenings.
So sira to guys. Nasira nung tsaka yung etch out